Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix your laptop keyboard into your Windows 10 or 11. If your laptop keyboard is not working, then this video is for you. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first we will go to settings. Come over your search option and search for setting. You can see here is your settings. So click on that, and after that here you just need to come over Windows Update. So if your Windows is not up to date, then try to update them all. Then I think your keyboard problem will be solved. But if it's not, then come over your accessibility option over here. Scroll down a little bit and you will find keyboard option over here. And then click on that and go for filter keys. Click on and then close it and then restart your PC. And I hope your problem will be solved. And if your problem is not solved yet, then come over this start icon, click on the right mouse button and go for device manager. After coming on device manager, here you will need to go for keyboard section. Open it and you will find quite a lot of driver into your keyboard section. So I will basically choose standard 101 by 102. If you click on it right mouse button, click on update driver, and first you will click on search automatically for drivers. Click on that and automatically your driver will be updated. But if you also do this by manually, click on your right mouse button, go for update driver, click on browse my computer for drivers and click on let me pick from a list of available drivers, and then here you will find 2 keyboard drivers. So I think this one is more effective, so that's why I'm clicking on this. Click on next and your driver will be updated. And there will be a message called, do you want to restart your computer now? So don't forget to restart. So this is how you can fix your keyboard problem. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.